Hi guys, welcome to today's video. And today this is a very simple and quick card which I did using some walnut inks. I am using a watercolor paper and I am just spritzing some water and these lovely shades of walnut ink. So I love all these beautiful muted shades from the walnut ink, and you can definitely do it with other sprays which can be brighter like our fireworks, but I wanted to use paint spray which is without any shimmer, and they just blend beautifully on this watercolor paper, and I just love the final result. So I'm drying it with my heat tool, and our beautiful rustic background is ready. I'll clean my craft mat, and we are ready to stamp sentiment and some images on top of this cardstock. So I wanted to create a very popular style of card, which is the silhouette of any floral cluster or maybe trees on this particular card. And for that I have used some penny black stamps which have some sprigs and flowers which are in solid black, and I wanted to use that. But before that I decided that I need some stenciling on this, and for that I used script stencil, and I'm going on with some VersaFine clear ink, and I'm really very lightly dabbing it over the stencil so as to have a very faint impression. So this is to make it even more rustic and to create some more interest on the background. I'm doing it randomly. You can also use some modeling paste or any other spray to add this. Now this is that penny black stamp I was talking about, and I really love the silhouettes and the solid black images in this stamp set. So I used my stamping tool and my VersaFine Black Onyx Ink, which is super sharp and crisp. But since this is a watercolor paper, I wanted to go at least twice with my stamping, and this is what I did. So I repeated the same steps for 3 more times, and that is how I finished the card front. So now what I wanted is a sentiment, and I took a strip of Kraft cardstock and I just mounted it at the base of the card. So this is how I finished this card, and I really love the grungy effect, and it's a very pretty card. Can be gifted to the special men in your life, and I love it. I hope you also enjoyed this, and if you did, do not forget to hit the like button and leave us a comment. If you want to watch more videos, do not forget to visit the Imagine blog. Thank you so much for stopping by. See you soon. Bye bye. Take care.